Hi, this is Norma Reel, and I'm from Norma's Quilt Studio, and I want to talk to you today about something new that I'm so excited about to show you, and it's called Learning Corner with Norma. And so once a month I'm going to bring and share with you a tip or a suggestion, and by all means, I know that maybe some of you have been quilting a while, some of you are just beginners. This will be for all levels of quilters, that you can come in and look at one of my tips and suggestions and see what you would like to do, and if it's something you can use, great. Some of the things we're going to cover, some of the subject matter is going to be like, how do you find that scant 1/4 inch? Whoa! And how to cut accurately, how to piece accurately, and then we'll go into some rulers and the strip tube ruler and some of the rulers and how to use them really well. And I'd really like to show you my famous decorative stitch binding. So that is something people ask me all the time how to show them to do. So we will be bringing this to you monthly. Watch your social media. It will be probably on Facebook or YouTube, but watch all your social media for when it's going to come out. But I cannot wait to show you all about Norma's Learning Corner and bring this to you. And I'm doing this for you, all the quilters in the world, so that you can improve and learn new things. And so I'm so excited that this is free, all for you.